Hola, good morning, buongiorno. How are you all? I hope you had a nice weekend. I hope everything was lovely and you had an opportunity to maybe dig a hole or to do something exciting and didn't fanny around with the charts too much. All right, so what we got going? Okay, so a couple of things quickly. The very first thing I'm going to tell you all is we have an 80% setup today, which we haven't had for a while. And let's have a look at that. So it's in here and it is obviously right here. So we're looking at this being our over under at 65,185. So here, like possible idea would be to come up, take out this. We've got a single print up here. Fanny around, come down 1 2 1 2, and then that's your trade between here and here. All right, you can also take the short from further up, but I'll talk about that in a minute. So the 80% setup is in play today. Right. So that's just my very quick first idea. Right. So where are we? Where have we come from? Well, we basically come from where we said we are going to come from, which is we had a long down here on Friday, which was in the Discord, and we took long, and we've just been trudging up all weekend. A bit like last weekend, actually. This is last weekend here. We just trudged up, didn't we? And then Monday we took out the low, and then we went up again. So similar play today, quite possibly. The problem we got at the moment is we just got poor lows and poor highs all over the place, right? Nothing is really fixing itself. It's just leaving liquidity. And that's because it's summertime. The markets have light liquidity. And so the markets get pushed around by the market makers. So my couple ideas that I've got today. So I'm looking for maybe a short in here, a single print up here, and this is a possible short. But however, I am very conscious that 66 is also going to be well defended, and if we get up here and we start to base a little bit, I'm not blindly shorting this at all because that will just give us fuel to hit this poor high, to hit these poor highs, and then to maybe come into these single prints here later on in the week. So overall, oh, and look at that, we're getting ourselves a nice little pump as I'm talking. Overall, we are looking for a little bit of bullishness in the market. I think my bias is quietly bullish. We've seen here that we had a little bit of absorption coming into here and coming along here, and OI's flat, right? OI's flat. This looks like it's just we have lots of shorts bailing out. This does look like all the shorts have just been bailing out. So this is good news. Shorts bailing out here is what we want to see. What we don't want to see is a bunch of longs diving in. If the longs start to get excited here, then we're going to get screwed. But shorts bailing out is good because that gives us fuel to go up. So I am going to be, as I said, I'm looking for a short in here now. And I'm just going to move that up because obviously it's not, we're just, but I really want to see if we take out this single print first. And my longs are in here. So in here and in here, and there's too close because this is a 618, 786, and this is a possible 0.5382. And the reason for that is that this looks like 1, 2. Is that 3 finished? And then we come back for 4, and then we go for 5 again. All right. Or is that 1, 2, and 3 finished here, and that's a 4, and that's a 5, and now we're looking for 3. Okay. So those are two interesting options. So we obviously we have come into the box. Let's see what happens. It is only 7 o'clock, so I personally want to probably wait another hour to see what occurs because this could jiggle around daily open, come back up again. So let's just wait and see. I mean, if it rolls over now, it rolls over now, and we'll see what we're going to see. Uh, right. So what is this to the downside? We can kind of see what our upside movement here is going to be. To the downside, this obviously is now proven corrective three-wave move, something like this. All right. So we know this is not impulsive. Um, if this is three waves here, then we'll be looking for probably another three into here. And my downside targets would be this week would be 62 or 61, and then for a move back up again. As I said, I'm kind of midterm bullish, i.e., I don't think we probably don't come down to here, but who knows? And obviously, overall, I'm bearish because I'm looking for a big short up here. So, how do we look on our kind of contrasting assets? Or USDT did pretty much what we said it would do. Squiggle around. It came up to our resistance line over. When was that? Was that on Friday? That was on Saturday morning, and it just rejected. And we're looking for USD to come into this this box here at the around the 7.8 mark. Oil is doing something similar. We drew this on Friday, thinking that we probably try to come down to this key and area and bounce. And what this will do is, if oil and USD can both do this, it will give BTC the opportunity to then grind its way up. And it's not going to be like a flourish, grind its way up here and just keep eating the shorts as they keep piling in. All right. A lot of big shorts went on sale on Friday. Lots of big whale shorts, and we start to get up here, and they're going to start popping. So that'll be interesting to see. Okay, so and of course the big thing this week is we have FOMC on Wednesday. So FOMC on Wednesday, will they keep it the same or will they raise it? There is no chance of this dropping. There's no rate cut in the horizon, I don't think. Today we have a little bit of news around durable goods at 1:30. Nothing really on Tuesday. Excuse me. And Thursday and Friday are similarly just a little bit empty. So I am long from down here. I'm also actually long from last night. I took a long from in here, sorry, last night on Sunday night. I like this to go up. And I'm waiting to see. No blind shorting yet. It's a bit too early. Let's see what London does when it properly kind of gets groovy in the next couple of hours. Single print up here. That could be a good target. This isn't a particular poor low, but this high here could get defended. Okay. And of course, if we do start coming down, our downside picture is fueled by the all these poor lows here. I mean, the chart is just littered with poor lows and poor highs. But let's see where we get to in the next hour and a half, and we can kind of go from there. All right, so listen, that's what I'm looking at today. Bias is cautiously bullish. If we get above here and we start basing above 66, guys and girls, we are going up here. All right, towards the end of the week. So do not blindly short this. Make sure you got confirmations. Make sure you're seeing things like, your money flow is starting to curl out, because at the moment it ain't looking like it's curling out. Do we have any 30-minute divs? Oh, we do have a little 30-minute div. If that confirms, that's confirmed. We had a little one there. Okay, so that's quite possible. Let's go on to our little chart of doom. What's this saying? Well, we went red here, and that's just been taken out, so that's useless. Everything does seem to be a little bit pointy point to the upside. So I am not currently excited about shorting this. I'm going to wait and see what happens. Okay. All right, guys and girls, that's me out. Have a nice day. I'll be in Discord, and I'll come back to you around New York time. Lots of love and taddy buys.